Well, dear students, today we are going to interact with Microsoft Word as we are getting the first today interact with Microsoft Word on the basis of two things. We have to create a file and save the file, changing font size, font style, and then reopen the file. Am I clear? So first we have to go to the option, the Windows button. So this is the option where we called as an Windows button. If you click on here, you are finding out the list of the menus that will be appear or the software installed in your system. Over there you are coming to the segment of Microsoft Office. Now here in this Microsoft Office, you finding out Microsoft Word 2010. So just click on it. Once you click on it, it will finding out this is appearing in front of you. Over there different options are appearing, like top options you are finding out file, home, insert, page layout, reference. These are calling as an main. Here we are getting cut, copy, paste. This is we are calling as an standard operator or the standard toolbar, and this is we call as an formatting. All sort of formatting you can do it. Okay, first whatever we have to go for, let us one line. Suppose I am writing one line. We are the students of class 5 of WWACES. So we have written one file. We are the students of class 5 of WWCES. Now we want to make the sizes more, and you have to change the font style. So for this reason, what we have to do, we have to select the lines by clicking on the left mouse button and drag it like this. You first hold the left mouse button and then slowly drag it. You finding out the entire line is in blue colored, which means it is selected. Now we are coming to the segment of this Calibri bold. This is option. If you click on here, you finding out different font will be appear. As you move the cursor, the font also reflection the different styles. So if you click on the Times New Roman, I am supposed to clicking on. Just click on the Times New Roman. Then we are coming to the segment of font size. If you click on here, you are finding out the different font size will be appear. Suppose I have given this, and after that I want to make it the letters and bold. So for this reason, I've just click on the option bold. You finding out the changes looks like good. Now here outside of the area, if you click on it, you finding out the letters are completely in good order, and you are finding out various things on that basis. Now here whatever we have to go on, that is I have to save the file. So for saving the file, I have to go to the option called file and then click on save option here. If you click on save, a dialog box will be appear in front of you. Now I have to first select the area where I do want to save. So I have to click on the option, suppose on desktop, and here by default the first name, the first line of the file is taken as a file name. If you want, you can keep it, otherwise you can omit it and you can write your own file. Suppose I am just click on here to select the file, this one, and suppose delete it first. I am writing the file name, my file. This is the file name of whatever I want to save the data. Then finally click on save button. Once you click on the save button, you finding out the file name will be appear at the top level portion of your file. So this is indicating that your file is already saved. Now I have to close the application, not close the file. So for this reason, I have to come to the option called file, then click on close. So you finding out your file is already closed. Now I have to open the file once more for my own work. So what happens, I come to the option called file, then click on the option open. After that I have to go to the option called desktop as I have selected, and then click on the option called my file, then click on open. If you click on open, you finding out the entire things once again come over here. So over there you can write it once again new line. Suppose I want to write it another line, so bring the cursor over there and then press enter. You write it we are enjoying online classes. So we have written. Now I have to save the file. So for the second time, whenever you save it, click on file, click on save. Here once you click on save, you no require to give the file name once more, because it is first time whenever you have saved the file, it is already saved. You are just updating the contents of the file. And finally, once it is over, you have to close the application, not the file, the application. So for this simple reason, you come to the right corner and click on cross button. Once you click on cross button, your file will be closed and your application also will be closed. And in this way, we can create a file, save the file, reopen the file, and also we are changing the font size of the file. So till then, I think all of you little bit of learn of Microsoft Word. Another segment we are going to be give you very soon. So till then, all of you stay home and stay safe. Thank you to all of you.